getting your hair washed? Oh, look at you, big girl. You're getting your hair washed.
Now, most babies love to get their hair washed. The bath, not so much.
Ah.
Yeah, they don't normally try on this part.
That just... Can I be next? Yeah. Your first hairdo. You're going to love the hair salon later, too. Yeah. Oh, she's sleepy.
It's a little cold, I know. I'm sorry, sweetheart. Shivering. Her little lip, bottom lip was shivering.
That was cold, wasn't it? I didn't give you a fair warning, did I? No, I didn't. I didn't give you a fair warning. Nope.
It's a nice head massage.
You got that tongue going, girl.
You got that tongue going.
Yeah, none of my kids ever had that much hair, I don't think. Maybe Ricky did. Oh, we got a comb and all. All right, hon. Love you. Look at her. She loves this little hairdo she's getting.
She wants to comb at this point, but
It's so long.
I know. She's going to be able to wear bows right away. You excited about being an Uncle Rick?
Yep,
Yeah?
yep,
Yeah?
yep.
You excited about being a grandpa?
Oh yeah.
You excited about being an uncle?
Yeah.
You excited about being an auntie?
Time to go buy one.
You excited about being a daddy?
Yep, very excited.
Yeah? Yeah? Mama? How excited are you?
I'm so excited.
And sleepy. And hungry.
So happy.
Oh. Mhm. He's loving life. Already. She's exactly 2 hours old now.
Yep.
You're 2 hours old already, girl.
2-hour birthday.
Happy birthday to you.